Hi, this is Dr. Wayne Gard. We're having a lot of patients coming in with a coughing problem after recent bouts of colds, flus and pneumonia and COVID. So we've put together a herbal tonic of some powerful herbs to help the body stop coughing and recover from the infection quicker. It's a combination of valerian, manuka and thyme. In addition to that, we encourage our patients to come in and get their rib cage adjusted. It helps to open up the breathing and let the lungs recover quicker than they normally would. If this is you, then give us a call, come in and we'll help you along. Thank you.